I now welcome Shri Kumar Varatra, President Balagokulam, Delhi NCR.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram എല്ലാവർക്കും. Namaste. I'm very happy to join this seminar. Especially this is happening in the context of a recent event in which Sri K.D. Nambiar has taken a very strong action, legal action itself against an institution, a restaurant, which has displayed some wrong pictures of Hindu deities. In fact, as the eloquent speakers of this seminar has very correctly pointed out, we need to be vigilant and we need to take care of what we should protect. And in this context, I have only one point to make, that what is happening in Kerala basically a liberal action, supposed to be liberal action, within inverted commas. Whenever a liberal action happens from somebody, we are told that they are also part of us and we should respect diversity. I mean, they will side with us and say that we should respect diversity. They pretend as if they are also part of that diversity. And it is through the diversity they are saying that we should be tolerant. Instead of that, we should understand that certain elements like the communists or the jihadists or such other elements, they can never identify with Indian culture and they can never be part of Indian culture. So, and they don't want also. So there is no reason in accepting them as part of Indian culture and then saying that they are also part of the diversity. There is no such thing that diversity they accept. Only we have that acceptance of diversity in our culture they never had. Neither communists nor jihadists or any other. That is one thing. Secondly, whenever they make a mockery of our culture, as Sri Nambiarji has pointed out, whenever they make a mockery of our culture, what they are saying is that we are also doing it. We Hindus are also doing it. Like, just as Nambiarji has pointed out now, somebody has making a painting of on the mat, on the foot mat, and they will say that you are drawing the picture of Bhagavati on the floor. So, but that also we should never accept such arguments. We know what we are doing and we have been doing it for centuries, and we know the reasons also for doing that. It is not like making footmats. So these things should be very clear to every Hindu, and making this clear to every Hindu is the first change we have to make in the mindset of Hindus. If we make such changes, then I think there will be a temptation to act, there will be a provocation to act, and such acts taken together will make results, and such results will bring more unity among Hindus. That's all what I have to say, and kudos to Navodayam for arranging this seminar, and also I thank all the participants who have joined this. And Balagokulam, as an organization for children, will try to instill the values, as of course it is the motto of Balagokulam that to instill values of Indian culture and Sanatana Dharma among children, and we will continue to do that, and we hope that the next generation in India will never face such problems. Thank you all.